Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia A10 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap, and here we have to scroll and find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see, the date and time options are inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time. So let's tap on the switcher to turn off this option, and now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it from the clock and confirm it. Of course, it will be immediately applied. The time zone, we can set it automatically or set it manually. So just tap on time zone, tap on the region, and here we have to find the region we want to use, for example this one, and of course it will be immediately applied. We can also change the time format, so we can use local default or manually decide. Now we've got the 12-hour format. If you want to use 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher right here. So this is the manual customization of date and time. You can always go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by using first of all this switcher and also this one to set the time zone automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.